Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with a new lecture with Accredited Laboratory. Today I will explain how do you prepare one normal H2SO4 sulfuric acid in 1 liter solution when molecular weight H2SO4 equal to 98.08 gram per mole and density or specific gravity equal to 1.84 and purity equal to 98%. First, we should know what does it mean normality. In the previous lecture I have explained molarity, which is equal to number of moles of solute or substance of solute divided by the volume of solution in liter. Normality, which is equal to normality of a solution, is the number of equivalents of solute contained in 1 liter of solution, or the number of milli equivalents of solute contained in 1 milliliter of solution. Normality always used with acids and bases or alkaline, such as H2SO4 sulfuric acid, sodium hydroxide, nitric acid, magnesium hydroxide, and others. In these cases, you should calculate at the beginning the equivalent weight of the compound, which is equal to molecular weight divided by number of acids or bases. As example, H2SO4, it will be equivalent to molecular weight of H2SO4 divided by 2 number of hydrogen atoms. Sodium hydroxide, equivalent to it will be equal to molecular weight divided by 1, so it will be equal to molecular weight 1 hydroxide. Here also equivalent to equal to molecular weight. Here equivalent to will be equal to molecular weight divided by 2 number of hydroxide atoms. So normality equal to number of equivalents of solute or equivalent weight divided by volume of solution in liter. Equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by number of acids or bases, which is 2 number of hydrogen atoms in case of H2SO4. Now we can go back to our question. How do you prepare one normal H2SO4? First, we can calculate molarity. Molarity equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Number of moles of solute equal to weight divided by molecular weight. So molarity equal to weight in gram divided by molecular weight gram per mole multiplied by volume of solution in liter. So weight in gram equal to m molarity volume of solution liter in molecular weight. But H2SO4 is a solution, so we should convert the weight to volume, and that will be from this equation, V equal to weight divided by d, density or specific gravity. So weight equal to Vd, and we can substitute in this equation. So Vd equal to mv molecular weight. V, which is the volume of solution, should be taken from the bottle of H2SO4 to prepare one normal H2SO4. So volume will be equal to mv, volume of solution liter, molecular weight divided by density. And as you know, the purity for H2SO4 equal to 98%. Means in 100 gram solution, H2SO4 solution, there is 98 gram H2SO4, or we can say 98 ml in 100 ml H2SO4 solution if you calculate the percentage volume per volume. So add the purity in this equation, so it will be 98 divided by 100, the purity, multiplied to volume equal to mv molecular weight divided by density. So V again will be equal to mv molecular weight multiplied by 100, multiplied to 100, divided by 98 d. So V equal to mv molecular weight multiplied to 100 divided by 98 multiplied to density, or we can say to prepare normality, mv equivalent weight multiplied to 100 divided by 98 d, and it will be equal nv molecular weight divided by 2 for H2SO4, number of hydrogen atoms, multiplied by 100 divided by 98 d. And we can substitute in this equation nv equivalent weight molecular weight divided by 2 multiplied to 100 divided by 98, which is the purity, multiplied to density 1.84. So you want to prepare one normal H2SO4 in 1 liter solution multiplied to 49.04 multiplied to 100 divided by 98, 1.84. It will be equal to 27.196 ml, 27.2 ml. You want to dissolve 27.2 ml in 1 liter solution to prepare one normal H2SO4. After that, if you want to prepare 0.1 normal or whatever normality you want to prepare, you can dilute, just dilute. And that was the end of our lecture for today. Inshallah, in the next lecture I will have another type of preparation for another solution. And as I said, this playlist for preparation of standards and other solutions inside the lab is very important for every analyst inside the lab. If you are beginner or expert, you need this, because we always forget. And also for the student who want to make interviews, also you need to know some preparations. Try to find whatever preparation you cannot do, just send to me in a message or comment, and inshallah I will prepare in the next lecture. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.